coffee shop in a Senna. This is a favor from DDE to the owner.
Yo, what's up? Tanner's back in the vlog.
Yo! Oh my God. What did you do?
Wow, look who the cat dragged back into a vlog.
Tire Slayer sitting waiting for me to pick her up. Oh, a slew of other supercars.
They have a Senna sitting like right out front the door. Check it out.
You know, hypercars. Fully exposed carbon. That's really sick. Doesn't get any better. We got palm trees back in the vlog, son.
Damon, Senna, Tire Slayer. That's it, that's a wrap. Vlog done. Just joking.
Yo.
Welcome back.
Whose is this?
Just everything's carbon fiber.
Like every nook, cranny, wing. The doors. These cars are just so pretty.
Damn. Bro, you did it right.
Wow. Gordon, you son of a... Hey, how you doing, homie? Good to see you. When did you take delivery of this?
Last week.
Oh, dude, you got the carbon wheels. Oh. You should have put some carbon on it.
Well, today's the day to be at PFS apparently.
Yellow seat belts. Look at these seats. My God. Dude, the steering wheel. The dry carbon with that stripe. So this is really cool. I like this. This is what we call the DD special, right from Ferrari.
It says on the Ferrari order sheet.
Yeah.
DD
Ferrari order sheet. Oh yeah, DD can stamp of approval.
It gets after it. You've got a little more confidence behind the wheel of this thing than I do behind my car. Pretty awesome. It's got some get up and
go. We gotta go to the coffee store. Hey, you guys got anything cool I can drive? Oh, just your McLaren? Your 570 McLaren.
Actually.
What?
It's this.
It's what?
It's the Senna.
Oh, no way.
You need coffee fast.
Huge shout out to AKA_Booty. This is his car, so congratulations to you on your Senna. I'm gonna drive it before you do.
I promise, we're not going far. Proof that we actually have the keys. Okay, you guys ready for this? I mean, does it get any crazier than that? Fire this thing up or what?
You know where to fire it up?
Up here. I need this car.
Oh yeah.
Brother, you definitely got the most unique steering wheel I've ever seen. It's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. Okay, Jason, we are off to the coffee shop.
It's a long drive.
In a Senna. It's a very long drive, so we're gonna put a few miles on the car. But you know what? There's a break-in process. You know, this is a favor from DDE to the owner. So, yeah, it's a bit of a process to get out of PFS parking lot. And welcome to Moon Go Coffee. The coffee shop, by the way, you guys, is right behind Protect the Film Solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, this is phenomenal coffee. Probably one of my favorite places to have coffee. By the way, door handles are up on the roof, like that. And away you go. This is a convenient way to get here.
Oh yeah.
You know, walking would have been faster, but definitely not as stylish.
Boys, how's it going?
Going good. Hey, you know what? I have no money.
Would you take that car for some coffees?
Man, if there's one person that I think could get the better end of that trade, it's this guy.
Now, would you give us coffee for life?
There'll be a limit. We'll say 1 a day for life.
1 a day for life. Okay, deal.
All right, let's go.
Fred, thank you for the coffee. I'm gonna park the car for you, okay?
All right, sounds good.
It'll be safe.
Make sure you don't put any scratches on it, okay?
We got you.
All right.
Protective Film Solutions.
Back on the road again. Park this car in the top secret storage facility. No one can know about it.
Top secret facility.
Top secret, can't tell you guys where this is. It is not in California, it is not in Santa Ana, and it is not within a stone's throw from the PFS store. Damn it! I'm so bad at keeping secrets.
Can't tell you anything.
We have to do a DD solid and blow up my boy's Instagram, AKA Booty. It's on the screen. So you guys go click the link, follow him. He's got an insane collection of cars and hypercars. He's only adding to it. Yeah, we might have blew the suspension out. The more it sits, the more it just gets more and more closer like
To the ground. Look at this. It looks good, but completely not usable.
So our friends at BC Racing are sending some coilovers that we're pretty sure, like 75% sure, are gonna work in this. They're for the SL, but apparently that you can mount them in this. What I originally bought it for, I've completely changed my mind to something even more ridiculous.
He wrecked something? What did you do?
Stop.
You break the truck already?
I'm trying to save mileage because I've been driving a lot lately. I broke a few things, but it still runs. Forward?
No, don't go forward. Right onto the truck.
I gotta know what he broke. Mr. C is always to the rescue for us.
What'd you do? Hey, good to see you. Seen you in over a week,
In
man.
a while.
Hey, my man.
Just shouting out all the sponsors today. Mr. C's, Vincero,
Protective Film Solutions.
X-Comp, we got X-Comp, we got Predator, twin turbo snails right here by Sheepy Ray.
We got good people.
What is that?
I broke that.
What is that? Oh my God, those are the new lights they just put in at Predator.
Yeah, I broke them. I fixed the taillight. Lots of guys saying in the comments, there's a burnt out taillight. I just fixed it.
But you wrecked everything else.
Yeah, I've been around the taillight.
Tanner just got Guaczilla back. So what do you think? Tire Slayer versus Guaczilla? Shall we race?
You take
He's got 900 wheel horsepower. I have 850.
Yeah, but you're Damon Fryer.
Got cars
You
in
tell
it.
yourself that every morning when you wake up. I'm Damon Fryer. Today's gonna be a good day.
That's true. Damon Fryer. Today's gonna be a good day.
Drop the stuff off. Smells good in here.
Good in here.
Woo! Ready to party. Legit view. 6th floor.
I've never been this high in this hotel.
Views on views.
Views on views.
Look at this, you guys.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Hey,
We're back in Sheepy.
why are you yelling?
We're back in Sheepy.
Why are you yelling?
I've changed. I've been vlogging for a week now.
Fame has changed you. Oh, hold on. He's all, the vlog has changed me. I've been vlogging for a week. What's he do? Hands me the camera. Yo, what's up? Tanner's back in the vlog. Johnny's back in the vlog. And we are here at Sheepy Race in Temecula. Holy, you got, dude, it's Lambo heaven in here right now.
Yeah.
You got Lambo V10, Lambo V10, Lambo V10, Lambo V10. Wah, wah. Hey, fist bump, it's been a minute.
I know, how you been?
I'm good.
Look at that working man hands right there, hey?
Tanner, how was the ride in the tire slider for the very first time now that it's sheepy tuned and turbo?
Oh my god! I have to say, I've been in Alex's car, made by the same people. I like this.
Yeah, they're
this
different.
feels faster.
Dude, they're different cars.
This feels faster, so I'm gonna say that they're different cars. This thing is impressive.
I don't know that you trade this in,
I wouldn't
but you
get rid
could
of
easily
Sister.
afford a new car, and the new
Sister.
car could be the sister Lambo.
Yeah, it really could be.
Oh my god. It's a car or a spaceship, right?
What do you think of the noises?
Best things I've ever heard. That was insane, David. Talk about someone that drives their car hard.
We got donuts on the menu.
Dave, come check this out. You guys, check this out. This is really cool. I've never seen this before. I'm really psyched. Hey, what's up? Look at this.
Holy, someone's been busy.
Dude, it is the Lamborghini Bouncy Castle. Woo! Yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? Right here, does that look familiar?
Yeah, it's a Huracan.
It's a Huracan.
My new car.
And this is a portable spray booth for
Portable
painting.
spray booth.
All prepped and masked off, and they're getting ready to do what I've never seen done before. I've never even heard of this. Apparently it's a new thing. It's a liquid sprayed wrap, and you can paint it any color, so there's no limitation. You can put any OEM paint coat, I believe, over top of whatever they prep it with, and then it peels off after like a wrap. You prep it and you lay down, spray something that becomes like the vinyl underneath, and then you can paint real paint codes over it?
Yeah, correct. So basically any color you can come up with, we can shoot. So you want a matte, you want a satin, you want Cepheus blue, you want candy red, you want hyper shift, color shift. Any of those is completely possible, 100%.
You'll find out later what color it's going to change to, because it's crazy. As crazy as Choi. What is this? That's Cepheus blue, that like a legit Lambo paint coat. So you're telling me that this is the wrap thing? So you warm it up and then it peels off? No. This is
it. So you paint.
Look. It just literally like comes off so easy. What stage are we at?
Primer.
Primer?
Base.
Oh yeah.
So that car is obviously no longer white. I'm gonna show you what color it's gonna go. So you guys are gonna have to check this out. We're just gonna let them prep a few things and then we're gonna pour it in. This is actually a really cool color. Look at this. That's right, it's pink. Can you believe how crazy this is gonna turn out, Charlie?
Oh, that's wild. Look at that. There's no pink that beats this pink.
Pearlescent pink. Wow, I'm impressed. This is gonna look sick.
Unicorn. So this car is actually Sheepy 0001. This is the first Huracan we ever turbo.
Fire. Whoa. Look at that. We got a pink Huracan, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
Looks cool.
It looks really cool. I'm actually like kind of blown away. We're gonna have to come back and see this in the sun in a few days, because they got all these other parts to do, and then they got assembly. So when it's done in like a few days, We'll drive back up here. We gotta come back up here anyhow. The Tire Slayer is getting some more coating done for the Cybex. All right, guys, smash the subscribe button. Hey, you want some merch? Links in the description, shopdde.com. Go pick yourself up a hat, a hoodie. We got also a whole new line of merch coming out very, very soon. So if you already own everything that's in the store, stay tuned. Tons more coming. See you in the next one. Peace.